Hello guys, one more lesson about performance. This is a very important stuff, it's important subject, right? So let's think in CRUD. So we have create, read, update, and delete. The only one action of CRUD that don't change anything in our database is read, alright? When we are creating, updating, or deleting, we are changing, we are adding, updating, or deleting something in our database. Sure? So, ActiveRecord provides to us ways to create, update, or delete in bulk. I'm telling the word bulk. I don't know if I'm telling it correctly, but let's go. First of all, let's create some users in our database for one time, just one time, without using any loop and each or map method to do it, right? I didn't tell you before, but the create method accepts arrays of objects, right? So let's do it. We'll have a variable new users, which will be an array, right? And we will have two objects of users, valid objects for users, right? So I will have a name Mario and email. Mario email.com, and I will have a name Leticia. This is a very common name for women in Brazil. Age 24, right? So we have a new users variable, which is an array, right? As you can see here, we have an array. So we just do a user.create and our array here, and as you can see, it created two users in our database. So now we have a user ID 3 and another 4 with exactly the data that we passed as params in our array, in our objects inside our array. Sure? So to update or delete, it is more simple. It is simplest. So ActiveRecord provides to us a update all method, right? So let's see how it works. Let's get these two users, right? So user where ID bigger than 2, and now we have exactly the records we created. So I have this variable and I want to update all, right? Let's say I want to update all ages to 30, and we have a update users set age equals 30 where ID bigger than 2. So now, as you can see, we updated the age of Mario and the age of Leticia. Sure? If you do something like user, the class user update all, you will update all records saved in your table, right? So be aware. So the same thing works exactly equals in delete all. So if you do a user, the class user, let me clean the screen, user.delete all, you will delete all users of the table users. So be careful with that. We still have the variable users with user ID 3 and 4, and if I want to, I can do a users.delete all, and it will delete all users. Now we don't have any user with ID 3 or 4, right? So keep in your mind, the update all and delete all methods are available for the class, the model class, or an ActiveRecord relation, right? So that is it. I see you in the next lesson. Bye.